Hey guys, BRN Contracting here with a model review of my 150th scale CAT Custom 320L excavator made by Deerman1999 on YouTube. Here I'm going to give you an overview of the model, or the model while being built, and just going to kind of walk you through it. So here it's stripped of paint, and he's done the L series body lines. Adam had to make a custom hood, scratch-built hood. He also had to make a scratch-built thumb in order to match the thumb on my 320L. This cab is off of the CAT M318. It didn't quite work for us in the end. As you can see, the M318 cab looks great. Catwalks and steps, he's did a fantastic job. Here we had to change the cab to a 312 cab just to match my excavator a little better. The finalizing of paint and decals really summed the model up, and it looks great. Here's a Facebook picture off his Facebook page. Now on to the model review. Hey guys, here it is, the custom 320L, made by Adam or Deerman1999 on YouTube. So we'll get started with the model review. Very nice. He did a great job, as I said before. And here we go. We'll start at the front of the machine. The bucket is off the M318 wheeled excavator. Thumb, custom made thumb, very nice thumb. The cylinder, nice and smooth, and it will hold a pose. Very nice. Coming up here, we have the hydraulic line splitter with auxiliary lines, and we have your thumb line and your cylinder line on for the bucket. Coming up, we do have some rubber lines here and some steel lines coming across here. A nice decal, very nice decal. Then we have some more rubber lines up here to go to the stick hydraulic. Some steel lines coming down. The steel lines do come down and meet up in the center house by the swing motor. Coming around the other side, thumb and bucket again. We do have another splitter on this side. Hydraulic lines, a nice decal. Up here we do have a handrail. This handrail is exactly the same as on my 320L. We do have a fuel cap and storage compartment, a step, and the catwalks are actually diamond plating brass. Coming up here, we have anti-slip plate. Nice decal, nice and crisp. Very nice decal. We have scratch-built engine cover or hood. Lifting eyes for the counterweight. Nice decal on this side. Cab off of 312, as I said before, and catwalks all the way around here. Interior, very nice. It's tan painted, same as in my real 320L. And we'll get to movements of this here unit. We'll get to movements, functions. It'll go up all the way back to about here. It'll come down to here, and then we do have the stick movements out like this, and in like this. Bucket curls out like this. The bucket curls in this far. The thumb will follow the bucket out to about there. Same as the real machine. And goes out to there. It does spin a 360. Does spin a 360 and looks very nice. Looks very nice while doing it. As I said before, very nice model. Leave any comments, rate, subscribe, and go check out Deerman1999 on YouTube or his Facebook, ACM, Adams Custom Models, and yeah. So, comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.